Hi guys, welcome to DeckRes. This is Jatin and today we are going to disassemble HTC Desire E26. For the disassembly you're gonna need plastic triangle tools, Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, plunger, and a heat gun or a blow dryer. Now guys, let's begin to disassemble this phone. Now just take out the SIM tray and with the help of heat gun apply some heat on the edges of the panel. Apply only 1 to 2 minutes of heat at a low temperature will work. Now take the plastic triangle tools and pull the back panel gently. Don't apply too much pressure or you will break the back panel. You can see over here that we are not applying too much pressure. Now slowly pull the back panel. As you can see over here that we have successfully removed the back panel. Now with the help of Phillips screwdriver, we need to open these screws. There are a total of 6 screws on the back panel. Let's just get them off. Now with the help of sponger, we need to remove this black panel. You can see over here after removing the lower black panel, we can see another screw on the board, so let's unscrew that. Now with the help of tweezer we can remove the antenna cable and we need to disconnect the battery. Guys, make sure while removing the flex cable, you don't damage them as these cables are very expensive and very hard to find in the market. Now with the help of sponger, you need to remove the vibrator as this vibrator is pasted with a double-sided tape. we need to remove that while opening the circuit board. Now you can see that we have taken out the board and we find another flex cable, so please remove that. Guys, you can see that we have successfully removed the cables and the circuit board. I'm not going to open the display as this phone is used by me, so I'll let you know how to open the display. You need to apply heat on the edges of the screen. A decent amount would work, and then with the sponger we can remove the display. Thank you for watching TechRes. This is Jatin over here. For reassembly you can find the links below. Please like, subscribe our channel for more stuff. Thank you.